In this video, I will share how to derive a relation by using the method of dimensions. For this purpose, let me take an example. Suppose we are given a question to find time period of oscillations, time period of oscillations of a simple pendulum. This is our question. We are given that time period depends on mass of pendulum bob, length of simple pendulum, and acceleration due to gravity at the point of experiment. How to derive a relation for time period? For this purpose, let us suppose time period depends on mass as proportional to m raised to power a, mass of pendulum bob, L suppose power b, and g is power c. Let us suppose. So I can change the sign of proportionality into sign of equality by introducing a constant dimensionless m raised to power a, L raised to power b, and g raised to power c. Now what will I do? I will put the dimensions of each and every quantity here. Left hand side is time. Its dimension formula will be m0 L0 t raised to power 1. On right hand side, k is dimensionless constants, so no need of writing its dimensions. Let's come to m. Dimensions of m can be written as m raised to power 1, L raised to power 0, t raised to power 0, whole raised to power a. Now let us come to L. It is length of pendulum. It will have dimensions m0, L1, t0. Whole is raised to power b. Now g is acceleration due to gravity, means it is an acceleration. It can be m0, L1, t minus 2. These are dimension formula of acceleration due to gravity. Let us put c. Now we have to simplify right hand side, combine the powers of m, L and t. In the first term m raised to power a, in the second it is 0, and in the third it is 0. So L, in the first we have power 0, in the second we have b, and in the last we have c. It is b plus c. Now come to t. In the first bracket t is power 0, in the second again it is 0, in the last we have minus 2c. Now let us compare the powers. Compare the powers of m, L and t on left hand side and on right hand side. If I compare the powers of m, I get a is equal to 0. Comparing the powers of L, I can write b plus c is equal to 0. Comparing the powers of t, it is minus 2c is equal to 1. All these three equations can be solved to write answers for powers a, b, c. A is 0. From the last term, I can write c is equal to minus 1 by 3. If I put this value of c in the second equation, I will get answer for b, that is will be plus 1 by 3. So we have got the powers a, b and c. Now I will put all these in this equation. So the relation for time period of oscillation comes out to be m raised to power 0, L raised to power 1 by 2, and g raised to power minus 1 by 2. After combining we can write it is equal to k m raised to power 0 is 1, no need of writing, and L over G under the root. This is the required relation for time period of oscillations of a simple pendulum. This is how we can use method of dimensions to derive a relation.